Hi, you're talking to Karen Smith in the Chief booth here at ISC. Stand 2C50 here to talk to you about our new Impact series on-wall kiosks. We're really excited about this new product. It's got an exclusively designed swing frame that keeps the panel actually attached to the frame for sort of unparalleled access for maintenance to get into your components. We've got a collaboration with our partners at Middle Atlantic and utilizing their lever lock system for on-wall storage. You can combine with Chief's Pack Series boxes for in-wall storage as well. The frame is depth adjustable to be able to accommodate a wide variety of panels and be able to stay as low profile as you can when you're using thin displays and keep it up to 5 inches deep when you want to use a deeper display. So again, this is Chief's Impact Series here at ISC. For more information, you can visit us at milestone.com.